Whoa, guys. And just like that, day 4 is in the bag. Um, Today, I'll say, has been one of those days where I wasn't feeling it. Yes, yesterday I wasn't feeling it, but yesterday I had the energy. Today I was low on everything. I was low on motivation. I was low on energy. I was so tired. It even showed in the number of reps I was able to do. Because usually when I start with a regular push up, I'm able to do on the first set, I'm able to do 20 reps. But for this particular one for today, I wasn't able to. And it showed throughout. Yeah, so it is what it is, man. But it's all about the consistency. Like I keep saying, the goal here is to be consistent. Is to prove to myself that I can show up for myself. Even like today when I'm not feeling it, I'm not in the mood, I still showed up and I did it. Yeah, so day 4 is in the bag. Yesterday was the first milestone to be able to do 3 days straight without quitting, and I did that. So the next milestone is tomorrow, day 5. If I'm able to do 5 straight days without breaking, I increase it. But the end goal is 30 days straight, no breaks. And today has made me realize why it is necessary to have rest days in between your workout sessions because the muscles get tired. But we're trying to build consistency here, and so it doesn't matter what level you are in. If you're a beginner, you can do 10 push-ups. If you're an intermediate, you can do between 30 to 50 push-ups in a day. And if you are an advanced push-up person, you can do between 100 and above, So that's a goal. The goal is about consistency and not about how many you're able to do. So will I be able to go the 30 days? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's wait and see. If you're enjoying this journey so far, you can give us a like, you can subscribe to the channel. And if this is something you'd want to do, if you like to build your consistency, if you've tried working out and you end up breaking at a point and not going back to it, if you've registered for the gym so many times but end up not going, we're trying to build consistency from home. Charity begins at home. And so we're trying to build consistency from home before we get to the gym. So join in this challenge. The link is in the description. You can also type "I'm in" the comments below to be my accountability partner. You'd have me as your accountability partner. Let's do this together. Let's build consistency because it is one of the traits that every successful person, every successful man needs. So let's try to build that with our push-ups. And I know if you're able to do this, we can translate that to every other facet of our lives. So thanks for watching. Let's see how we are looking at day 4. So I didn't do much today. So this is how we are looking. So next milestone is tomorrow, day 5. I hope I'm able to make it, and I'll see you in that video.